What's going on, gearhead? So we're back with the Solstice again, a never-ending project. But what I wanted to do today is some very simple maintenance on the mass airflow sensor there. Throw in some codes. So we're going to pull that out. We're going to clean it. Super simple process. It's literally 2 screws, disconnecting the data cable there. Pull it out. We're going to clean it up and then reinstall it. Alright guys, so for this, what we're going to go ahead and do right now is we're going to disconnect the cable. So I do have a cold air intake on mine, but your cable is going to be exactly the same right here. We're going to pull these 2 screws out here as well. So don't drop these. They're very, very small, and you can lose them very easily. Pull that one out there. And the bottom one. Look at that. And pull the sensor out. Looks pretty clean, but we're going to go ahead and clean it up with some of the chemical here and then reinstall it. Alright, so I'm using some airflow sensor cleaner here from CRC. It's about $4 at Walmart, and make sure you get a paper towel. And really what you're going to want to do with your sensor here is spray it all over and get all up in there. Don't be scared to get this thing nice and wet. This is what this is designed for here. Alright. So, let's go ahead and dry it off. You may want to let it sit. Don't blow any air through any of this. No compressed air. Just keep it simple. And then let's go ahead and reinstall it. Alright. Put it back in there. Go ahead and put the top screw in. And be careful with the bottom one again. You don't want to drop it. And hopefully I don't drop it. Alright. Nice and tight. Take your cable and the one connected to the vehicle and plug it back together. Alright. So that's it for all that. This is going to stop some of the most generic codes for you know, your air fuel. If you're having issues with that, throwing engine codes, takes less than 5 minutes. Pull it out, spray it off, clean it up, dry it off, put it back in.